Hi, this is Megan Hickey, and this is my fifth book critique. For my featured book, I decided to choose George Washington, His Legacy of Faith, Character, and Courage. The author and illustrator is Demi. The genre is informational, biography, and picture. The reading level is 4th grade and up. And the summary said this is an interesting book about the life of George Washington, and it describes everything from how his parents met, and how he grew up, and what he really enjoyed doing, and how he was an important historical figure. For my content area, I decided to do 2 lesson plans, and one is for history for the 4th grade. That is that there are many important dates in this book. There are dates of land, when George Washington would move, and more. And I would give each student a little worksheet, and they would have all of the dates on the worksheet. And as the students are reading the book, they would be in charge of writing down facts about each state and what page each state was on. And then for my second lesson plan, I chose literature for the 4th grade. And there are actions that George Washington did in the book, and some are said to be myths, and each student would be in charge of researching this myth from the book and making a slide page about the information and why it is a myth. And for example, this is what I had in mind. So there is the cherry tree myth, and it was created by Mason Locke Weems, who was George Washington's first biographer, who wrote George Washington's first biographer. He wanted to show Washington's virtue of honesty, so he decided to make this up, and this was shown in the 5th edition of the Life of Washington. And then for my second book, I chose A Child's Guide to First Holy Communion. The author is Elizabeth Fiocelli. The illustrator is Anne Catherine Blake. The genre is picture and informational. The reading level is 2nd grade and up. And the summary is that this is a great informational book about a child's first communion, and they get to really learn about the basis of it and the important backstory of the Last Supper and how important it is to receive the first communion. For my third book, I chose Karen Ackerman. I apologize. I chose Song and Dance Band. The author is Karen Ackerman. The illustrator is Stefan Gamel. The genre is realistic fiction and picture. The reading level is 2nd grade and up. The summary is that this is a fun book about a grandpa that shows his grandchildren how he used to dance and play instruments, and the children and the grandpa were waiting for supper one day. So while they were waiting for that dinner, they decided to go up to the attic and look at all of their grandpa's old instruments and old tap shoes. I really enjoyed reading this book, and it had some really great illustrations in it. For the 4th book, I chose Armadillo Tattletale. The author is Helen Ketteman. The illustrator is Keith Graves. The genre is fantasy, fiction, and picture. The reading level is 2nd grade and up. And Armadillo had tall ears like a jackrabbit, and he could hear everything that the other animals were saying. And when he heard everything that the animals were saying, he would go to everyone else and tell them what those animals said. And all the animals got upset at him because they didn't want everyone else to know what they were talking about. So finally, they brought Armadillo to Dragon, and Dragon helped with Armadillo's ears. And soon his ears were small and he wasn't able to overhear everything. And then all the animals were very happy and became his friend. For the 5th book, I chose Dustin's Big School Day. The author is Alden R. Carter. The photos are by Dan Young and Carol S. Carter. The genre is nonfiction and picture. The reading level is 3rd grade and up. And this was a super cute book about Dustin, and he was super excited to go to school because his dad's friend was going to come to school and perform for his class. And his dad's friend was a ventriloquist, and Dustin was so excited for the ventriloquist performance. And I really enjoyed this book, and it had some super fun pictures in it. For the 6th and 7th book, I chose the Greek and Roman eras. The author is Garme Paris Gloria and Oriel Verges. The genre is informational, realistic fiction, picture, and multicultural. The reading level is 4th grade and up. In the summary, that this is a book all about the life of what it was like during the Greek and Roman eras. And it was super interesting to see what has changed and how nowadays and back then are so different. So for the book number 7, I chose The Last Stop on Market Street, and the author is Matt de la Pena. The illustrator is Christian Robinson. The genre is realistic fiction and picture. The award is the Newbery Medal, and it also has the Caldecott Honor. The reading level is 2nd grade and up, and the summary is that this is an enjoyable book about CJ and how he gets to ride all over Market Street with his grandma. And he gets to go see all the different markets, and it's super, super fun. And I loved all the different pictures in it. And then for the 8th book, I chose A Ball for Daisy. The author and illustrator is Chris Rushka. The genre is realistic fiction and picture. The awards are Caldecott Medal, and the reading level is 1st grade and up. And the summary is that this is a book that shows the love and tragedy of Daisy's favorite toy, and Daisy had her favorite toy ball, and she did everything with it. But sadly, a bigger dog broke it one day. And this just shows how much of an impact a toy can make on someone. And the picture in this book were super cute, and I really enjoyed this book. In conclusion, this book critique was so fun. All of the books that I were looking at had a really great wide variety of illustrations, and I really enjoyed this. Thank you.